Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use Rakuten for your travel plans, turning your trips into smarter, more affordable adventures. If you're new to Rakuten, it's a popular cashback platform that partners with travel sites like Expedia, Booking.com, and even airlines to help you earn money back on bookings. It's a game changer for budget travelers, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, sign up for free on the Rakuten website or app. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your account. It's quick and easy, taking less than a minute. Once you're logged in, head to the travel section or use the search bar to find deals on flights, hotels, car rentals, or vacation packages. Next, when you spot a deal you like, click through Rakuten to the partner's site. This is crucial because it tracks your purchase and ensures you get cashback. Rates can go up to 10% or more, depending on the offer. For example, if you're booking a hotel in Paris, search for hotels on Rakuten, select a partnered site, and complete your booking as usual. Rakuten will monitor the transaction and credit your account shortly after. One of the best features is the exclusive coupons and promo codes Rakuten provides, which can stack with cashback for even bigger savings. Keep an eye on your earnings dashboard. Once you hit the minimum threshold, you can cash out via PayPal or check. Using Rakuten for travel isn't just about saving money. It's about making your journeys more rewarding. Always remember to start from the Rakuten portal to activate cashback, and double-check for any current promotions. If you're planning a trip soon, give Rakuten a try. It's free and could put extra cash back in your pocket. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.